Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Lionsteel T.R.E. tray here with me for a quick review. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see how big this guy is, or how small this guy is, because this is not even 7 inches or in overall length. It's going to be like, what, 6.9 inches long with a not even 3-inch long overall blade. I mean 3-inch long blade with a 2.8-inch long cutting edge and a handle of not even 4 inches, or let's say 4 inches. So this is a very interesting one, made in Italy by Lionsteel. This is the, of course, Damasteel version of the T.R.E, which means 3 in English, and because this one has 3 way of deploying the knife, which are with a flipper tab like that, or you can install like a thumb disc like this, or just can remove both and just go like with you know, a finger pinch like that. So very interesting concept going on over here. It's made in Italy. It's a nice titanium frame lock, very cool milling lines going on the handles, as you can see. Nice 3D milled titanium pocket clip. You have a nice stainless steel insert to avoid lock stick, and then look at this beautiful Damasteel blade. It's very nicely done. Nice flat grind. Spine is beautifully crowned, and then you have this kind of like, it's not a harpoon, but it's like a half a swedge kind of thing going on, and drop point, and probably I would say like 40% belly and straight edge up to the sharpening choil. It's nice and slicey, very thin stock. I like it. It's nicely done, I have to say. You have this option to remove the flipper tab right over here. Milling lines are pleasant. You have a nice cutout for the lock bar release, and the sound this guy makes is very subdued, nothing particularly loud. It's unobtrusive. It's a nice click, and very muffled sound when closing the blade. The weight in the pocket of this guy is going to be 2.7 ounces, so it's very good, very contained in weight, especially because the scales are milled out and skeletonized pretty extensively on the inside. Nice back spacer going on. There's also like an option to carry it with a lanyard, and of course clip is reversible. You can just mount it on this side of the scales, but it's going to be tip-up carry only. And the overall feel in the hand is nice. I don't feel any particular hot spots or any sharpness going on when squeezing the handle, so it's pretty much good to go. Is running on stainless steel ball bearings, which are caged, and with a nice and stainless steel detent ball right over there. Nicely done, I have to say. So overall, this is a pretty cool knife, but hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.